about there? What do you think? Is it? What do you think? You like it? Boosted board. Alright, here you go. Alright. Oh, it's heavy. 15 pounds. Wow. Charger. Rated for 54.4 volts, 2.2 amps, 120 watts. Pretty powerful charger. There's the power button. Swing up to 3 bars. There. What do you think? Yeah? You like it? Says it! Says it! Come on, says it! Says it! Why? You don't like it? Hey you guys, this is gonna be my first time ever riding an electric skateboard ever. But I have been skateboarding most of my life. I own about 3 skateboards, about 5 longboards. I've never had an issue, except around my house it's hard to skate because this is actually literally about a 15-degree incline. Going downhill, it's really scary. It doesn't look that bad, but with electric skateboard, I'm gonna be able to actually skateboard around my house. So let's see if this does work. Let's try to take it slow. Just go uphill for now. So first thing I can't do, it already can't make it up the hill because I'm in beginner mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to, I think this is advanced. Let me go ahead and see if that'll work. This is barely making it up. It's on a 50% battery. I'm gonna go ahead and try to switch to another mode. I think that could be the eco mode. Maybe this is the advanced. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh. All right, that went a little too fast. So maybe the advanced mode will work. Okay. Oh, now I got it. So I got to really hang forward. Wow. Woohoo! I'm going up this hill. I've never been able to make it this bad. Holy! I'm going at full speed on advanced mode right out of the box. So if you're a skater, obviously you should be able to get it. Just a matter of putting your weight forward and really controlling it with the dial here. Woohoo! Now, I'm a little scared going downhill. This dial is a little, I don't know how I'm gonna go downhill. Woohoo! So we're gonna go a little slow here. This is all downhill. I'm gonna actually try to go real slow here. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know how it goes downhill. So let me go ahead and check it out. See. Okay. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, you just go down. I just got it. Wish me luck. So this is such a downhill. I'm actually pulling the wheel backwards. So I'm actually going backwards to slow down the thing. And if I let it go free, it's picking up speed. So I'm just gonna go real slow here. Obviously, I've been on my first electric skateboard in less than 5 minutes, going down a steep 15-degree hill. But later, once I get used to it, I'll probably go a little bit faster. Plus, I'm not even wearing a helmet. I should really wear a helmet in these downhill areas. Pretty solid ride. I ride a lot of skateboards, so I would say this is actually pretty easy to ride comparison. It's so heavy, it's much stable. But I heard people who use the boosted board, the regular longboard boosted board, they say it's a lot harder. Well, not a lot harder, but you feel a lot more of the effects. But obviously this is more of a skateboard, not a longboard. Whereas, so yeah, I'm not speeding up these hills. I'm gonna see, does that regenerate power? So I have 2 bars right now. So that's, so as soon as I get on, I gotta actually pull down. I have to go backwards to apply the brakes. I don't know if that regenerates the brakes. I hope it does. You can see without doing that, it's just gonna go real fast. So the biggest thing I learned is when you're going forward, you really gotta lean forward. Otherwise, this board just sort of backs you up. And lean back when you're stopping. Oi! Yeah, it's gonna be a real trip. Okay, let me see if I can make it through the curve here. Okay, first time on the street with it. Woo. This is so awesome. I'm actually just applying brakes now. I'll go a little bit faster. So I'm all on gravity power, so this should be regenerating some power. Do some carves. Yeah, just like a regular skateboard, a little bit slower. Obviously there's some drag. But now I can go fast or slow down. So I think the thing we gotta be careful is do not accelerate too quickly. Interesting, I'm already in advanced mode, so if you're a skateboarder, longboarder, it shouldn't take you too long. Oh, I freaking love this, yo. I freaking love this, yo. Alright, we're gonna go through some gravel roads. It's pretty bad. Let's see how well this thing handles on here. Ooh, look at that's ugly right there. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's real ugly here. Hey guys, so I made it through gravel. You just gotta lean really forward a little bit more. But let me go ahead and demonstrate. So I'm gonna really just watch my weight, and it seems like the weight is everything, especially with the bumps. And you really gotta keep constant speed with these really grainy asphalt. Don't slow down, and just go at constant speed. Obviously find some with better rock. Yeah, making it through. Ah! Through here. This gravel sucks. I need to get some better wheels. This is like, this asphalt really sucks. Oh my god, it's so shaky. I would not ride on this. I have to switch to beginner mode also, because I'm just not used to the acceleration. I guess it works for, you need it for the hills, but obviously for these crappy asphalt roads, you don't want to go with less power. Oh my god, it's terrible. Ah! Let me see how it works on the dirt road over here. Maybe it'll work a little better. How's it go off-road? Oh, yeah, a lot smoother. Alright, we're gonna go check up some nicer asphalt over there. Maybe a little nice practice area there too. We'll go in the opposite direction so we can see cars coming. Actually, so much nicer. Look at that. Woo! It's a pretty easy ride. Really love it. Yeah, I do suggest wearing a helmet. I'm not wearing one because I have one, but I'll wear one later. But yeah, I was able to get a hang of it, not fall on the boosted board too. Let me see if I can make it all the way there. But this is awesome. Normally I would have to walk up these hills and it would just be a pain in the ass to walk. Now I can go places without my car around my place and enjoy boarding. That's kind of cool. So that's about 10 minutes of riding. The wheels look just fine. They're pretty big wheels. Battery, I started with less than half the battery out of the factory. These asphalt roads are not that great, like this one. I know I was looking up on the internet, they do sell some aftermarket off-road wheels. I might get those eventually. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Really like my boosted board. I'm going to practice with it for a little bit before riding it. I highly recommend it. I paid what, $750, and I wanted to actually get a board that's small, not a longboard, because I have a bunch of longboards and they're just simply a hassle to carry. I got the Mini S, not the Mini X. Mini X has actually it's the same thing, just double the battery range. I don't plan on going 14 miles. Also, this one you can also take the battery with you on the plane, separating the battery. So that's another reason I got it. Anyway, I'll have a full review. Have a great day, and as always, stay home on boosted boards.
Click here to subscribe.